Now, let us factorize this quadratic equation completely into this. This is quite interesting, but let's go. We can split it into two. We can factorize this first three and then factorize this. So for the first three, 6x squared plus xy minus 15y squared. Since there's coefficient in front of x squared, we multiply the coefficient with this. 6 times minus 15 is minus 90. Now we look for two numbers such that when we multiply them, we get minus 90. And when we add them, we get the coefficient of this xy, which is 1. The two numbers that come to mind will be 10 minus 9, because 10 times minus 9 is minus 90, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So 10 and minus 9. So in place of xy, we'll have 6x squared plus 10xy minus 9xy minus 15y squared. Between these two, what do you think is common? 2x is common. So 2x, what is left here is 3x. Here is plus 5y. What is common here will be minus 3y. Minus 3y into this will be 3x. Into this will be plus 5y. And so we factorize 3x plus 5y out. 3x plus 5y. We are left with 2x minus 3y. Let's stop here. Let's go to the second part. Let's factorize 4z squared plus 11xz minus 7yz. The first thing you want to do is to bring out the z out because it's common. So we'll have z, we'll have 4z plus 11x minus 7y. Now, I have 3x plus 5y here. What I want to do is to split this 11x and 7y to have one of these factor. I want to go with this 3x plus 5y. How do I get 3x plus 5y from this 11x minus 7y? I can split this as 4z plus 3x. What do I add to 3x to get 11? That should be 8x. Now, minus 7y. How do I get 5y? So if I have plus 5y, what do I subtract from this to get minus 7y? That should be minus 12y. And now, if I combine this, I've gotten this. So I'll get z, 4z plus 3x plus 5y. With these two, 4 is common. I can factorize 4. I have 4 bracket 2x minus 3y, which is what I'm having here. Now, if I open this bracket and factorize further, I will have z 3x plus 5y. This with this, 4 is common between these two. I'll have plus 4z plus 2x minus 3y. Now, with this factorization, I can combine it with what I've gotten here. So everything will be 3x plus 5y, 2x minus 3y. If I combine it with this is plus z, 3x plus 5y plus 4z, z plus 2x minus 3y. Now, 3x plus 5y is common between these two, so I can factorize it to have 3x plus 5y. I'm left with z plus 2x minus 3y. And here I have plus 4z, z plus 2x minus 3y. Now, what is common between these two is z plus 3x plus minus 3y. If I factorize it out, I will have z plus 2x minus 3y. I'm left with 3x plus 5y plus 4z. 3x plus 5y plus 4z. which is exactly what I have. If I rearrange, I can get 2x minus 3y plus z, 3x plus 5y plus 4z. Exactly what we are asked to factorize into. Thank you for watching.